The big brand sale is now on at OK Furniture, and you stand a chance to win big when you save big. Buy any participating brand before the 26th of May 2024, and you could drive away with a brand new Toyota Vitz. There are 15 cars to be won, so don't miss out. View our latest catalog and shop these deals in store or online until the 21st of April 2024. T's and C's apply. iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting at iDiskiTimes.co.za. Mamelodi Sundowns have advanced to the semi-finals of the Nedbank Cup. Yet again, another football club has dragged a football match to penalties, and they've yet to find or exploit a very clear weakness with Ronwen Williams, who's faced at least 25 to 30 penalties this year alone. Tuks went into this game with a clear intention of dragging this game to penalties. In fact, from the second half and extra time, we knew that nothing was going to happen unless Sundowns scores a goal. And nothing exactly happened. And then we went to penalties, and Sundowns won the game in penalties. There's a lot of ignorance in football. Junior Khanye, our analyst, what did you make of the game, sir?
Yeah, ngikholeka maphela kunjani?
Yes, sir.
Ngibulise uJustice.
Just.
Ngibulise uBenedict Sovila guys.
Mr. So-and-so.
Kunjani? Keep on supporting iDiskiTV, fighting no one. We try to fix South African football. I think this thing you chop and change unnecessary at Sundowns. Sometimes it kills a momentum, winning momentum. Irrespective of now, good players need to be ready.
Yeah.
I'm confident. If you're gonna bring overs from the stand, at anaboma 4-5 games, you're gonna have a problem. And if you're gonna bring as well full team, Mshishi, whereby you're not playing him regularly, you definitely gonna it's redeem. So basically, I'm trying to say Sundowns, they sometimes bring players from the stand. It was unnecessary to play Mkwena and Obas today for me. Usually, the coach Mkwena, no bookings, injury free. Play Mkwena Alende and Mshishi. That's all in the middle. Oganye Mhlambingo Alende, box to box one. Because the Bafana Labi midfield Diabo, they were nowhere to be seen. These kids coming to this game, scaring of Sundowns. It's in calling Tuks. Tuks did very well. They considered the goal. First 10 minutes, Sundowns were all over them. Sundowns scored a goal. After that, this team, they pressed Sundowns front triabo. Aggressive at Sundowns. Didn't play pretty football. Energy. First 45 minutes. Vadama pocket. They got a goal from Mamelodi Sundowns. And Sundowns struggles a lot, especially in terms of a combination play. Even Nalog manager the game, they one first half struggled. Sundowns. They were predictable, I think, among Mabona first half. They want to go. I think my instruction from the coach would just go central. Sometimes as these are big guns players, they need to take responsibility. Sometimes as much as we listen to the coach instructions, sometimes just create with stretch and defense about. I think the last game the reason they scored last minute Korea na Mendieta. It's because
Richards Bay.
Yes, because Mendieta. It's because of everybody is central here. So this team, I think they've noticed with sometimes they pocket surprise opponents. Sometimes with you can't move everybody's inside. You want to finish the move inside to so it was predictable. I think by the first half they got frustrated. Second half frustrated again because they packed the pass. Come back as first half they never even jump center, not shot at target. Good Tuks, even Sundowns not even creating clear chances second half because of first half good central and it build up a Sundowns too slow.
I think they were walking.
I think I don't mind it build up a whereby game whereby now we're managing the game a pace high one way, but you can't start first with ceiling walking pace at the back. And then until 90 minutes, it's not going to happen. I'm opponent is aggressive to you. Nzoba second on the ball always. Upegi Tuks, they were first on the ball in Kurmana first half. The second half, these guys, they made it very difficult for Sundowns. I think extra time, bring Mfana Lomapena, he's changed the game, Mfana, but he needed a backup from senior players. Lodge, not much of him. He just got a chance and he's supposed to finish. I think players mele now learning senior player. If you've got this boy, Mapena, he's taking responsibility to the HR, just get nearer to him.
Availability.
close to him. Nikube in a combination so that umfana naye nimphumuza. But every time when he got the ball, expect to box in nonke. That's not. I think Sundowns didn't play pretty. I'm shocked today the way badlaling a corner. It's not they won, yes, but compliment to Sundowns. Goodbye to. I think it's a semi-final, if not mistaken.
Yeah, semi-final of the Nedbank Cup.
Yeah, but truly speaking, they didn't play like Sundowns. I had to learn this time at Natsia for Nukora 7. I wish him they're not going to approach game. Low block against them. They've set the standard. Mela understand Roland, you need to find a way. He's got so many quality players. It just need to be not predictable. It's me okay. But like we can't tell the players good chance. I don't want crosses one way central. Yes, there's too many. I believe and I'm go combination play central, but you need to surprise opponent. Create with. And then there's players who can go central and score, or sometimes go around and bring square pass, who surprise an opponent and finish it. So the game it regears a few penalty. Not much of a moment to the game. There was not a chances both teams. Even Sundowns struggle even to combine an issue. Everybody be go repair Roland and Bonile from the first to seal until to last minute. He has tried so much. Emma check up on a good player, but match fitness. He didn't bring a player. And then I expect a miracle from him. Now Obas is tough with the team combined. And then the coaching Bonidi and he shout to Obas. And I think Rulani by shouting him, it was unnecessary, especially in front of a crowd. I know Guti he was frustrated because beginning on Guti will beat the Tuks ngamagola amaningi. But Tuks energy.
Especially first half.
Yeah, and I'm scared. I'm wondering ukuthi i-second game yabe-league bazobe banjani. The babatrainile i-Tuks namhlanje kule game bazinikele ngayo yonke indlela. And as a coach, I'm surprised why as a coach you plan ukuthi let's go to penalties, knowing ukuthi one you facing one of the best goalkeeper on the country. If not the continent.
The best goalkeeper in the country.
Yeah, currently, yes, true. He's got strong hand on a quick feet. Uronwen is bonilo kafkhona uyisevileni even bafana he saved so many penalties. So your players going to him, there's players who never face a moment road blind in terms of kune nervousness. Ngaphandle kwe-technique, let alone i-technique, ama-players with-Tuks, they were nervous going. Angeke ushaye penalty the way awashaya ngakhona ngisho le-2 miss. Ubonile ukuthi undecided. We should be nervousness. So credit to Mamelodi Sundowns, but they didn't. Azange badlale kahle. We need to be honest. Mina ngizoyibeka nje straight. It was one way and predictable, and Rulan, I'm sure now is not happy.
All right, there you go. Thank you very much to Junior. That was a piece of shit game, to be genuinely honest. Really, it was a waste of time. If you think about the second 45 minutes, so the first half was interesting. Tuks pressing, blah 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 blah. One goal scored, another goal scored. You could see both teams at energy, although Sundowns were too slow. If you think about it, 45 minutes to second half plus 30 minutes extra time. We were just here and we're prisoners because we can't just leave the video and not shoot the video. We knew the only thing that's going to happen here is if a goal comes through the Sundowns. Second half, they just stopped playing. We were at their mercy. And then something happened that was interesting. I was like, okay, now that you're dragging this game, penalty. They had nothing. So what's the point? It's not a lottery. You can plan it properly. You had nothing. You have absolutely nothing. So what's the point? You drag us all here to penalties. Can't you have no plan? Because in the minds, feeble-mindedness of football people, you think penalty is a lottery. It's not a lottery. You can plan it better. If they miss it, they miss it. But there was no plan. You could see there was no planning here. So well done to Sundowns going to the next one, because even if Tuks had gone through, it would have been a waste of a one team. It's an easy match. When you team go semi-final, we need all those strong teams to be in the semi-final, the parades, so that we can have proper competitions still left in the PSL. We don't want small teams in the finals of these competitions if they have nothing to offer. If Tuks had deserved something here, then they deserved it, but they deserve nothing. In 45 minutes, we were prisoners. 30 minutes additional time, we're prisoners. 15 minutes of extra time, the penalty. We are prisoners. We can't just leave the video and say, okay, fine. They offered nothing. And then good penalty, like, oh, okay, what's the plan? Let's see what you have. Jeng a young African. They're trying to delude people. They're deflecting. You had no plan, good penalty, against a goalkeeper who's faced 25 penalties this year alone. You had no plan, good penalty. And then you want to talk about match fixing. Good penalty, that was your plan. You didn't play good first leg. You didn't play good second leg. First half, second leg. So what's your plan? That means you're dragging this game to penalties. Show us then what you're gonna do in the penalties. It's not a lottery. You can plan penalties. But anyways, here we are, dying a slow death here with stupid football matches. And good riddance to Tuks as well. Good riddance. Ooh, absolutely good riddance. I'm happy that you're not in the semi-final. Sundowns, Pirates go to the semi-final. We have better competition still left. Maybe go and meet in the final. We need better football matches. iDiskiTV, Diski Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you for watching us.